watch me win, then watch me do it again. Tell 'em I can't take no loss.